The mechanics of a standard bathroom are defined by manual interaction. You handle cold surfaces, manually trigger the plumbing, and scrub away whatever the gravity flush fails to clear. It is a space characterized by physical friction and reactive hardware. By 2026, those points of friction have started to recede. The smart toilet has matured from a novelty bidet attachment into an integrated, intelligent piece of engineering designed to solve these specific sensory failures. To understand how this hardware changes the home, we need to analyze the progression of bathroom technology through a hierarchy of escalating innovation. This analysis tracks the evolution across 5 specific models, moving from foundational re-engineering of the flush to the creation of completely autonomous bathroom ecosystems. These engineering milestones represent a shift in design priority, focusing on the systematic elimination of human effort in our most private spaces. Every traditional plumbing fixture is limited by the home's infrastructure. Performance is dictated entirely by the building's water pressure and the stability of the local power grid. Units like the CANEST FC001 and the Casta Diva bypass these constraints. Their effectiveness is measured by the MAP standard, a technical test calculating the exact mass of solid waste a toilet clears in a single attempt. Standard toilets clear 500 grams, but these models reach a 1,000-gram peak rating, the maximum score. To maintain this in low-pressure homes, the Casta Diva uses an internal pump to amplify force independently of the main pipeline, ensuring a powerful flush. Because these units are electronic, they incorporate a mechanical blackout flash. This fail-safe allows the basic plumbing to function during power outages, ensuring the toilet remains operational without electricity. This represents the foundational tier of smart luxury, mechanical independence from the variables of home infrastructure. With the mechanical foundation established, the next engineering challenge is sensory. This includes managing the physical impact of waste, the containment of odors, and the frequency of manual cleaning. Foam Shield generates a dense barrier across the water when a user sits. This cushions impact to eliminate backsplash and creates a seal trapping odors beneath the surface. The expanding foam also lubricates the ceramic walls, preventing waste adhesion and minimizing manual scrubbing. This proactive approach to hygiene neutralizes mess and odor through chemical barriers before they can impact the bathroom environment. Higher levels of innovation focus on the user interface. While early smart toilets relied on manual remotes, the latest engineering aims for a completely touch-free experience. The HOROW X70 utilizes a sensor array to manage the entire cycle autonomously. The lid opens upon approach, and the system triggers an off-seat flush the moment the user stands up, removing the need for physical contact with the hardware. The frame is designed at a 17-inch ADA-compliant chair height. This specific elevation is engineered to reduce biomechanical stress on the knees and hips during use. This automation leads to the concept of ambient intelligence, where the hardware makes proactive adjustments based on the surrounding environment. Internal sensors continuously monitor the bathroom's climate to adjust thermal settings in real time. As ambient room temperature drops during winter, the system automatically increases the thermal output of the seat and water, adapting before the user even feels the cold. Automation reaches its peak when the system anticipates human biology and adjusts its parameters without requiring any user input. The EPLO X7 represents the integration of the mechanical, chemical, and intelligent engineering milestones we have tracked so far. To maximize efficiency, the iX7 uses siphonic jet flushing. This vacuum pull motion draws waste downward with significantly more force than standard gravity flushes. The system also provides continuous information transparency. Live LED displays show the exact temperature of the water, seat, and dryer, ensuring visual confirmation of the settings before use. This focus on reliability is backed by the Japanese SIAA certification, the global standard for smart toilet hygiene and component performance. Earning this certification requires the hardware to meet the stringent technical requirements of the world's most advanced smart toilet market. It marks the transition from a consumer appliance to a high-performance plumbing fixture. For the user, the final layer of security is a whole toilet replacement guarantee, providing a service commitment that matches the complexity of the technology. By systematically removing these physical friction points, the bathroom functions as an intelligent sanctuary that adapts entirely to human wellness.